Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send bulk emails in Outlook with individual names using mail merge. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to outlook.cloud.microsoft. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Outlook web app where you can access all your email features and tools. Once the page loads and your inbox appears, you'll be ready to move forward with setting up your bulk email campaign. Now that your email interface is loaded, direct your attention to the top portion of your screen where all your primary tools and menu options are located. Look for the button labeled New Mail and click on it. This action will trigger a new email composition window to appear on the right side of your screen, giving you a dedicated space to craft your message while still keeping your inbox visible. With your email composition window now open, it's time to access the mail merge functionality that makes sending personalized bulk emails possible. Navigate to the Options tab located along the top of the composition window and click on it. Once you do this, you'll immediately see the Mail Merge option become available. Pay attention to the notification that appears at the top of your email composition menu. It will state that every recipient will receive their own copy of this email, which is exactly what you want for personalized bulk messaging. This ensures that each contact feels like they're receiving an individual email rather than being part of a mass distribution, which significantly improves engagement and professionalism. Since you're looking to send emails to multiple recipients efficiently without having to manually add each person one by one, click on the Recipients button. This opens up your contact management interface where you can select groups of people at once. From here, locate the distribution list that contains all the contacts you want to reach with this bulk email campaign. Once you've found the correct list, look for the checkbox in the header section at the very top of the contact list. Click on this checkbox to quickly select all of the contacts within that distribution list simultaneously. This saves you tremendous amounts of time compared to selecting each contact individually. After all your desired contacts are selected, click the Save button to confirm your selection. All the email addresses you've chosen will now be automatically added to your recipient list in the composition window. At this point, the technical setup is complete, and now you simply need to focus on your message content. Go ahead and compose your email by adding your subject line and writing the body of your message with whatever information you want to communicate to your recipients. Once you're satisfied with your content, click Send, and Outlook will deliver individual copies to each person on your list with the mail merge personalization applied. And there you have it. You've successfully set up and sent bulk emails in Outlook using mail merge, allowing you to reach multiple contacts efficiently while maintaining that personal touch. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.